This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's August 1st, 2019. This one here I got a call for, no AC. Lady went on vacation, come home, and second floor AC is not working. So she's had it on for a week. She said it's still not working. So told her to shut it off, and she don't know how to shut it off, she says. So we're going over there now. Try to get you some shots. Maybe it's a burnt wire or something, you know, and things not running. Probably a capacitor. Could be a blown fuse. Could be anything. Sometimes I can fix them. Most of the time I get them going, but not always. Oh, cooling. Just want to make sure the fan comes on. Don't sound like the fan's coming on. How do I get in the attic? Right here. Looks good. Yeah, I don't see anything trapped, so we'll have to go up and check out the attic. I gotta get over there and check that unit out, why it's not running. Sounds like the condenser's running outside, but the fan's not running. I'm gonna take this apart and see why. Got a bad motor here. What is this double trap? That's stupid. Stupid. So hopefully it's just a capacitor. Hot up here, man. Wow. Yeah, motor's hot. Motor's hot. Let's see if it's the capacitor. Hopefully it's the capacitor. There's a problem right there. Nothing. Just hopefully we could just change that and it'll fire up. Motor's a little hot. Just leave it running when it's not working. That's the best thing to do. People are flipping clueless. It's probably a 5. Yeah, it's a 5. I have them in the truck. .03. I mean, that's no good. Let me go get one out of the truck. It's a little 5. Put this off now and leave the fan on, so the fan should run once I pass it in there. Alright, so I got a lot of 5s in here. 5s is a common one. So I got a lot of them. Nice and cool. I got the window open here for you. I got the new one up here. Let's see what we are on the new one. Should be 5 microfarads. And that's where we're at. So let's get the new one in and see if it starts. Turn the power on and see if it starts. Alright, that's gonna work. So you got lucky. We'll have to turn it on and check the charge outside too. So what do we got here for a little unit, a little 1.5 tons or something? That's a little 2 ton. We got it on just fan right now, so. Says her husband changes the filters every year, so that should be fine. It's gonna be, we're gonna check the filter too while I'm up here. I got it on just fan, so just the fan's gonna run until I get downstairs to check the freon levels. That might be fine. We're gonna check that too. I don't know why they got a double trap on this thing. I mean, no water in the pan. Seems a little odd. I would figure it would have iced up, right? And no fan motor. Running it for 3 days, they said. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Alright, we'll get the flipping hot up here, guy. Holy shit, I'm sweating. I'm sweating like my first day in divorce court. We'll put it on automatic, we'll put it on fan and hold. Be on a delay. We'll check the unit outside. So piece 20. Suction pressure's good. Subcooler's a little high. Won't hurt to clean these coils. Looks all oxidized. I'm fine with that right there. I know that this, I could hear the refrigerant running through the lines when I was upstairs, so I know that this is the unit. that. It's a little 2-tonner. Wouldn't hurt to hit these coils. They're just kind of oxidized. Look at that, guys. That's a vulture. That bitch. Got a red head on it. Catching the wind. Look at him catching the wind. There's another one there. Look at that. Maybe they think I'm a snack. Look at that thing, catching the wind. Vultures. They're all black and they got a red face. They're probably looking for food, the buggers. Looking for a free meal.